Morning, fellow travelers, and welcome to the vernal equinox edition of Planet Boone from the old Columbia, Missourian newsroom. We're going to serve up a little astronomy to go along with our weekly weather this morning, and it's also show and tell day on the Planet Boone. I have brought in my jar of spring joy, and as you can see, it's running a little low. We'll get back to that in a minute. It's a cool overcast morning outside in mid-Missouri. The clouds are expected to break free here by and by. It's going to be a sunny afternoon. Highs around 60 or so. And then another bodacious weekend staring us down. Warmer on Saturday than Sunday, but beautiful days both. So, as for what's ahead, the Weather Service is calling for a bit of a roller coaster of temperatures with several chances of rain into the middle or latter part of next week. Now, astronomical spring arrives at 5:45 today, which means, of course, that from here on out, at least until fall, the days are going to be longer than the nights. The new moon is making its closest approach to Earth, which gives rise, I suppose, to maybe a reverse supermoon, if you will. And then there's the main event that occurred a few hours earlier today, a total solar eclipse across the North Atlantic, and you have got to go online and check out some of the stunning images. Now, here's something to consider. We're about 90 million miles from the sun. The moon's about 380,000 miles away. How is it that the disks appear to be about the same size when viewed from Earth? I just ask. Anyhow, on average, a total solar eclipse occurs about once every 360 years at any given location. And our time is coming. Mark your calendars. I'm telling you, August 21st, 2017, Columbia going to be smack dab in the middle of a total solar eclipse that's going to span the east and west coast of North America. Now, back to my jar of joy. Sitting at the lunch counter at Booch's yesterday, and a denizen of the downtown underworld swings by, taps me on the shoulder, and starts blowing sweet mushroom things in my ear. And he ain't the only one. I've heard a number of people getting excited already. The heck for March Madness, it's Morel Madness that I'm waiting for, and I know a lot of other people are too. Now, it's a little early. We need about 50 degrees soil temperature, and that might be happening down in Georgia where the first morels have popped up. But Sanborn Field this morning, the 4-inch soil depth was 42 degrees, so we got a ways to go. Anyhow, the mushroom gods did smile upon me last year, and I sure hope that I have the same kind of, oh God, those things smell good, luck that I had last year. Anyhow, when we next visit in 2 weeks, it'll be just about time to start checking those mushroom holes, so stay tuned. In the meantime, it's going to be a great weekend to head down to the river. John Galbraith is playing tunes at Cooper's Landing at 5 o'clock, and David Durnley's going to be down there on Sunday. Some great local music. And remember, as we mark the vernal equinox, that the planet Earth is rotating at 1,000 miles an hour, and we're going around the sun at 67,000 miles per hour. So hang on and have a good ride. We'll see you in 2 weeks.